Best time to buy and sell stock 2. Get into this. You know the drill. We're going to copy from the bottom to the top. Let's go into this is from the last video. All right, let's paste that in there.
Problem title, Best Time to Buy and Sell Stock 2. Short description, find the maximum profit achievable by buying and selling stocks as many times as possible while holding at most one stock at a time. Would you like this problem solved as a gamer quest or an anime narrative?
Switching things up, we're going to do action adventure. Let's see what it can do. Right, let's narrate the story.
Action adventure narrative. In the bustling city of Tradehaven, the Stockmasters Guild governs the flow of commerce. You, a daring treasure hunter and rogue trader named Kael, stumble upon an enchanted ledger known as the Ledger of Profits. This ancient artifact whispers secrets of the market, but only rewards those who make the sharpest trades. The rules are simple. Each day's stock price appears in the ledger. You may buy and sell stock as often as you want, but you can only hold one at a time. To claim the treasure hidden by the guild, you must maximize your profit by making the right moves. Buy low and sell high, day after day. With your trusty companion, Naira the strategist, you pore over the numbers. Every rise in stock price is a chance to strike, every fall an opportunity to prepare. Can you unlock the secrets of the Ledger of Profits and claim the treasure? Java code solution? Let's help Kael and Naira maximize their profit. The following code uses a simple logic. Whenever the price increases from one day to the next, that's an opportunity to make a profit by selling on the higher day. Java class solution public int maximize treasure int ledger prices. Int total profit equals 0. For int day equals 1, day ledger prices dot length, day plus. If today's price is greater than yesterday's, we sell if ledger prices day mash 1, total profit plus equals ledger prices day 1. Return total profit, cat. Explanation of the code. 1. Ledger inspection. Each day's stock price, ledger prices, is inspected. 2. Sell smartly. If the price rises compared to the previous day, Kael sells the stock he bought earlier. The profit from this transaction is added to total profit. 3. One pass adventure. The loop ensures Kael examines each price only once, making this solution efficient. Would you like to create a thumbnail for Kael and Naira's action-packed trading adventure?
Thumbnail time. You ready? Chat hasn't missed yet, so we'll see what this one looks like. It hasn't missed once, in my opinion. Maybe I don't like it. I've loved all of them so far. This could be the exception. Not today. Put this problem into the editor and see what it comes out with. All cases passed. Great. And what I've been doing is I like to see other solutions real quick. This one has 13 comments. He gave a breakdown of how he would do it, helping the community out. I like to see what people say though. Always overthinking in my head, then realize being simple is the key. That's always been me. Cool. Helping out the community. That's what it's about. So if you found value out of this video, let me know. If you struggle with this problem, let me know in the comments. And if this story, the thumbnail, or anything in this video that you like, you let me know. Hey, this is what I liked about this video. Or this is what you can do to improve the video. I'm all open to suggestions.